Hello and welcome to Vignette number 29 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will discuss the measurement of prefabricated units using new rules of measurement 2. Standard and prefabricated units is a new work section, section 2 in fact, in NRM2. Although there was limited advice available in SMM7. Currently, for a number of reasons, there is pressure on the construction industry to adopt modern methods of construction, which includes standard and prefabricated units. NRM2 lists 4 categories of prefabricated unit, as listed on this page. Units are enumerated, and each of the categories is defined in NRM2. Perhaps more than other work sections in NRM2, guidance on mandatory information and items deemed to be included need to be studied and applied, and descriptions are fully detailed to enable accurate pricing. Increasingly, modern methods of construction are going to be used more widely as the industry moves from building to assembling new and existing structures. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get the latest updates and releases.